Hello everyone, I am Karanjeet Kaur. Today I will be doing a glam glow makeup, which is basically a party look. Before starting a makeup, I just want to tell you one thing, that everybody like different kind of makeup and every skin have different kind of makeup to be done. So I personally, as I am basically from the combination skin, more towards dry, so I prefer that my makeup should be a dewy makeup. It should be everything should pop out on my skin. So I will be using the products accordingly. So without any wait of time, let's get started with the makeup. Okay, so now I have already prepped my face. I have done cleansing, toning, moisturizing. So now first product which I will be using, it will be the Sugar Cosmetic. That will be Skin Illuminating Cream. This will make my skin dewy, glossy. So I'll start with this. Okay, now it's like 1-2 minutes is done. So now the next product I will be applying is the Pore Minimizing Primer from Sugar. This product, actually the primer is very important because I have open pores on my nose or corner of my nose, and some are there on my cheeks. So everybody have different kind of primers to be used. They use different type of primers on their skin. So some people who want to go for a matte finish, they have matte primer. So this primer will definitely give a matte look, plus it will also blur your pores. So I'm going to apply. Okay, now I've already done my primer. So now I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, just to conceal my eyes. Concealer is very important if you have any pimples or any acne marks. So it's better to use the concealer because it will make your face more beautiful. It's not being properly blended, so I'll give you a trick. I'm using the fixing spray of Tony Moly. That's a Korean brand. So just I've already wet this beauty blender, but if you use the fixing spray, it will do more nice work on this. I'll be using two foundations together to mix, and I'll make my shade because I never get my shade in the market. So I'm using Forever 52 brand, and I'm using Miss Clear brand, nude beige shade and nude shade. So I'll mix both of these color and I'll make my color. And this one is the high coverage. This one is the high coverage. So after applying the foundation, I'll just see if I need a concealer or not. Because when you are applying a high coverage foundation, somehow you don't need concealer to reapply it. So let's see how it works. All over my neck also. Don't forget your ears also. That's also a part of your face. Actually, people who love makeup, they always enjoy doing makeup. So sometimes it happens that kinds of powder. One is the face powder, again from the Sugar Cosmetics, and one I have the translucent powder again from Sugar Cosmetics. So if just in case, what I prefer, if I just want to do a touch-up when I'm going for a party or something, I'm sweating, I have to do a touch-up, I'll try to use this. So I will be using a lot of palettes for eye shades, but I will be using a very simple look. Actually, one is this palette, and one is Maybelline palette. This is Miss Claire's palette, and this is Maybelline, that is the matte colors, and we have glitters also in this. So a very decently I'll apply. Just to finish my eyes, I'll be applying glitter eyeshadow. Okay. Finally, I'll apply liner. That's the most tricky part. This is basically from Maybelline, and I have like some products from Amazon, some products from Nykaa. Nykaa is my favorite brand, so I have actually Nykaa is the favorite app from where you get all the brands, luxury, premium, even the drug items, everything you get there. So I'll apply the eyeliner. It's a very difficult part, so I'll be. Difficult was after a long time I was forming my makeup. So after this, Sugar 2 contour palette. Basically, contouring is done to just give you a shape to your face, and people who are having long face, they don't need to do contours, and people who are having long face, they don't need to do much contour, but people like me who is having a full face, like round face and chubby face, so they need some cuts to make your face look more beautiful. So I have 2 contour palettes from Sugar Cosmetics. So I'll mix both of them, because one is the light shade, one is the dark shade. I'll mix and I'll contour my cheeks and my lower bone area. Okay. So I don't have a contour brush, so what I'll be doing this is the brush. I'll just flatten this brush and palette. So I'll just take a important part on the face which will make your face more beautiful, that is eyebrows. So if you are not doing any makeup, if you're not even putting foundation, anything, if you put a baby cream and you have done your eyebrows properly, then definitely it's give a popping look on your face. So I'll be using Wet and Wild. In this you have a trimmer, you have 2 shades. I'll be using this shade, okay, because my eyebrows are a little bit black and brown contrast. So this is the gel. So I'll be applying this gel on my brows. I love the brows, I love very thick brows on my face because I have a very chotu face, so I just love to apply a good amount of brow gel. Okay, I'll just get ready and come back with the final look. This is the final look. I hope you liked it.